So this is it, guys. This is the moment. So after, what's it been, 3-4 months?
December.
Yeah, since December, guys. That long-awaited moment is here. Built transmission, added the Whipple supercharger, did the whole fuel system, Viking coilovers front and rear. Woo! Damn! Man, full 3-inch exhaust, 1 7/8 headers. Oh yeah, yeah. We're gonna drive this bad boy. See what she does on E85. And this has two down on the pulley. It's a 337 pulley. So this thing ought to be nasty. Now we can only go about 70%-ish, but at that level we should be in the neighborhood of 760, 770 to the tire in a sub 3,000 pound car. So if you're kind of following along with what we're talking about here, yeah. God almighty. Everything. Transmission, suspension, blower. Even just a little taste. Oh my God. Got a little rubbing going on, guys. The suspension's not adjusted, so don't mind the tire rub.
Exhaust or something?
Yeah, I think the exhaust might be touching the drive shaft. Woo!
A few little bumps and squeaks on.
Yeah, a little bit of tweaking here and there. Should be good to go. Okay, this thing hits so much harder than the last one.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
The boost just...
That was instant freaking boost.
Over everything. Yeah, it's got the drag on it.
Yeah.
It's a squat.
It squatted really good. Wow. Man, this thing hits hard.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Woo! I mean, obviously it ought to. It's, you know, over 800 horsepower, but jeez. Let's see if I can hold it on the gauge.
Yeah, it's just boom.
Yeah, it's like the boost is instant. Alright guys, we're going to get it back to the shop. We've got quite a bit of rubbing going on, possibly drive shaft, tire, drive shaft safety loop, stuff like that. So we're gonna get it up on the lift and check everything. But just like initial hits are,
Feels good.
man, this thing is evil. Dude, you killed it again. This car is evil.
That hood's up for some reason.
Yeah, no.
Something's hidden.
Yeah, we stopped and checked it.
There's that gap on the side.
Yeah, no, ain't nothing there.
I don't know why it's doing that.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, there's nothing there. It's just like a boat up. All right, guys, you can see it's already getting into the tire a little bit. We need to go ahead and roll these fender wells, but that was noise number one.
This side looks okay.
It's getting into the tire pretty good.
Fresh, yeah.
Which we gotta roll up.
Better roll that right now.
Yeah. Just wonder what else could be hitting up here.
Something definitely hitting right there.
It's probably gonna be that safety
It may
loop.
just been the trans.
Yeah.
Yeah, it may just been the trans. I might have to drop the trans down just a touch.
Yeah.
That's about all it could be. It almost sounded like something maybe in the brake back here scrubbing or something a little bit.
Yeah.
What's the rub in here?
Uh-oh.
He's rubbing the floor of the car. So he did.
Ah.
Dry shaft rubbing the floor.
Yep. And a little drive shaft rub
And
too.
it's rubbing the brake.
Yeah, well, I dropped the trans down a little bit. That'll take care of that.
Yeah. That'll straighten that around. That's probably what that noise was.
Yeah, especially like
Yeah.
because the rear is pretty soft, so
Yeah.
it's floating like that and I hit it.
Other than that, everything looks pretty good. Guys, if you're new to the channel, you hadn't seen this build, this Gen 2 Coyote, Whipple, 6R80, built 6R80,
E85.
E85, I mean, yeah. Full Viking suspension, Cook's 1 7/8 headers, full 3-inch exhaust. It's a nasty combo.
Pick up the money for it.
Very nasty combo.
With you later.
All the power by the hour brackets, air conditioning, power steering. Yeah, she's nasty. It's pulleyed down, tuned. That was the very first initial drive, guys. We're gonna do some adjustments here and see if we got everything taken care of. All right, boys. Current situation: adjusted the transmission tail shaft down a little bit so it's not hitting the safety loop, and then pinion snubber up there, and probably maybe tighten the coilovers up a little bit. Maybe not make it squat so hard.
Well, maybe a little bit.
And then pinion snubber, and you adjusted the pinion angle.
Yeah, working on it.
So we should be good for another hit. Fingers crossed everything's clearing now. Alright, boys, coming back down. Here's what we did. We adjusted the pinion angle, moved a fuel line, installed a pinion snubber, topped off the transmission, and let's see, yeah, adjusted the transmission cross member down so we don't have any clearance issues at the drive shaft safety loop. We're going to try and send it one more time, see if we get all the noises out of here. Also took 2 clicks of compression out of the back because it was dropping down pretty low when you hit it. But we'll give this a shot, see if we got all the noise worked out of it. All right, guys, take 2. We're gonna see if we can hear any other noises or anything funky.
Way better, huh?
Yeah, trans feels better, suspension feels better. No noises at all. Yeah, takeover.
Yeah, I mean, it's
No noises.
Yeah.
I mean, I think you got everything. Jeez.
that felt good.
Yeah. That was only 10 pounds. Wow.
I got a soft spot.
Alright boys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Lots more coming for that car. Again, we're having to get some data logs to the tuner and all that, just make sure everything's good to go. So we had to kind of take it easy on it. But man, talk about instant freaking power. It's unreal. And this car, again, will be on the track at Ford Takeover, so you won't want to miss that. I'm ready to fill that thing at 100% because it's nasty. So that is what is up, boys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up because we got this one to do, this one to do, that one to do. That one's turbo. This one, yeah. So I promise you, never ends. It never ends. So in the meantime, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.